Hey guys, I'm Mallory Varner with GSG. I'm the Vinyl Decorating Segment Manager. I'm very excited to tell you guys today about a new series that we are starting for 2022. It's called Make It on Monday with Mallory. That's right, you get to make crafts and fun stuff with me on Mondays. I'm gonna make Actually Monday a fun day. I'm very excited about this series, and it only works out great because of all of you. So when I produce these videos, I am gonna be making them on Monday, posting them, and then I wanna hear from you. I wanna be tagged whenever project you're working on. I want y'all to comment, email, send me messages, whatever. Tell me what products and what equipment, what you want me to be doing on those Mondays. I wanna make sure I'm bringing you what you wanna see. So be sure and follow me on social media at GSG Vinyl Decorating, both on Instagram and Facebook. And then also subscribe to GSG's YouTube channel where you can see all of our awesome videos that GSG puts out there. Again, every Monday, be sure and check out the videos Making It on Monday with Mallory. I am so excited and cannot wait to see you every Monday. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to see more of my vinyl decorating tips and projects. I would love to see what you're working on, so make sure and tag me. See you next time.